everybody. Pandi here of Pandi's Hair Candy and More, coming to you with that special sneak peek of the July Cocotique unboxing. Be sure your reminders are set so that you can stay tuned and tune in for the full unboxing of this beautiful box. As I go into all of the contents, Cocotique is a monthly beauty subscription box specifically created and curated for us melanated divas. Okay, so you definitely want to make sure that you have double tapped that notification bell so that you can tune in and see what we have in this month's box. Thank you so much for taking a moment to click on the video. I am Pandi of Pandi's Hair Candy and More. You all stay tuned. They never disappoint. Stay safe, stay encouraged, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.